What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5. And in today's video, guys, we do have an update on Milady meme coin, which is currently pumping, guys. It is up 18% in the last 24 hours and currently valued at this value here. So is this the breaking point for Milady meme coin? Is it going to break out, or is it going to just drop back down in value over the coming days? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, and also looking at its pump. Is now the right time to buy it? Is it time to sell it, or is it simply time to hold on to it? And as usual, going through its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2024, what my predictions are from Milady meme coin. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So Milady meme coin, guys, as you guys can see, we do have the Fibonacci scale right now on the screen, but I'm going to use that later on in the video to do some technical analysis. For now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the usual SMA indicator, and we can see that it is getting very close to the actual value of Milady meme coin. So right now it is pretty much on target and performing like it's meant to, but the main question is it gonna go above the SMA indicator over the coming hours? If it does, that means it is performing very well. So for now, let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking very bullish, going in a positive direction, and they are looking quite steep as well, guys, meaning this is not realistic. Reason is looking so steep is quite obvious, is due to the fact that it's been pumping quite a bit over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks that is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the next couple of hours. However, that is not the case. Over the next 12 to 14 hours, potentially by midday tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon, the crypto is likely to pump up slightly higher than where it is at the moment, but nothing major. It is not gonna go at a stupid increase like expected. For example, the way the graph is showing is expected to go about 80 to 90%. Again, that's not true. It is likely to pump up slightly higher than where it is at the moment. However, do expect red candles in between as well, where it's likely to take a little bit of a dip in between, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are still looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and once again they are looking quite steep as well. So over the next 7 to 8 days, by mid next week, yes, it is not looking realistic. However, I am expecting an overall minimal increase in value from Milady meme coin by mid next week, guys. So do expect more green days over the coming days, but again, do expect the odd red day in between. But again, what matters is the overall outcome, and at this point it seems to be more on the positive side. So it should essentially, from my prediction, increase another about 15 to 20% over the coming week, including the dips that are likely to take place. So whenever I do predictions, I always consider the dips, because again, that is of course part of the process. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Looking a little bit skeptical. The blue line is looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the orange line is looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So what does this mean for Milady meme coin? So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys, late February, early March 2024, I am expecting this crypto to have gone for an overall major increase in value, potentially about 60 to 70% increase from where it is at the moment. It could be much higher, but we are going to keep it quite low at the moment because it needs to be quite sustainable as well. So I'm expecting it to go past where it was trading around mid-December, above that price level by the end of this quarter, so by the end of March, and potentially April, pumping up even higher than that. So yes, I do have high expectations from Milady meme coin over the next 2 to 3 months, but do expect dips of that as part of the process. And again, if there are any major updates to my predictions, for example, if I'm expecting a major crash or a major bull run or a price bump, anything that can have an impact on the crypto either in a positive or negative direction, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So again, I'm not going to bore you guys with the Fibonacci scale. We already know whatever it is, what's happened, as I've covered this plenty of times. But what I'm saying is by March, April, I am expecting the crypto to have broken out and heading into the green zone is what I'm expecting. But again, I will keep you guys updated on a regular basis to make sure you guys are in the loop on my predictions and any changes that I'm expecting. Moving on to the CoinMarketCap website, here we can see the trading volume has gone up about 4%, making it $4.2 million. But I'm expecting it to go up even higher over the coming hours as more and more people will start to trade the crypto, as it is currently pumping as I'm recording the video. It is now up over 20%. So more and more people will start to get to know it, the pump, and start investing or selling and just trading the crypto in general, meaning it should go much higher than where it is at the moment, and it is going to help the value of Milady meme coin pump up even higher as well. But yeah, this is my take on Milady meme coin, guys. For those of you asking, would I buy the crypto right now or would I sell it? Personally, I wouldn't buy it because it is way over my maximum buying price for Milady meme coin. So it's a no from me, especially for the long term hold. If you're in the short term, then it's completely different. But for myself, I'm a long term holder, so I won't be investing into it. And for those of you guys asking, would I sell it right now if I was on a profit? Yes, I would, but I wouldn't sell all of it. What I mean by that is if I had $1,000 invested into Milady meme coin right now and I was on a profit, I would probably take out about $200 worth and keep the remaining $800 into the long term, into 2024, 2025, because as I mentioned, I do have high expectations from this crypto, meaning I've taken out some profit and I've also got some investment into the crypto. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on the crypto, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace. What is